Good morning. Is my day off is a little cloudy. It was so windy yesterday that we lost power at 9. But today is better. And all this mess is because my husband is building my bike. Yes, this was a Christmas present. Let me put this mute 1 second. Mute. I don't know how to mute that. But it's a big mess, I know. This is a bike that he got me on Christmas. He needs to put the basket. This is the basket. Goes in the front. You can also have another one. I know, I cannot carry you on that one. Another one can be in the back. Maybe I will buy it so I can bring things with me. And it's an electric bike. Yes, I guess a lazy one, but also you can pedal and it has all this stuff. Use a key to turn on, and it has slide. He's just on the process to keep building. He has to put together everything. And the other thing that will happen today is when he will not finish today. He already told me today this is going out. Look, my poor fern. I really feel so sad that it is in this way, but winter came really fast. My dog is trying to get my attention and almost killed this fern. It killed the other one. It was, I think, was on one of those days that we didn't notice what was going on. Alright, snow day. I am trying to remember. So anyway, I have to remove, it's hard, it's everything dark here. Remove all the decoration. My little, let me see, I think it's more water. My little orange tree is all happy here. Let me turn a little. We keep turning so it gets light everywhere. Another there. These are almost ready. And it has more flowers, and he loves to come and smell the tree. He's so cute. And I think I want to do other things too, but husband went to get some food. Yeah, we are being lazy today. But this is how much I did. I just play computer games and watching videos and watching Janie. She's showing the new planner that she got, and I love her planner. She really did a good job setting out everything together and putting the page in the way that she likes. Okay, so I need to water the plants. I already watered one. I need to water these ones. And that one too. I wanna sew today, but I don't know if I will be able to do it. I have a project going and I have a lot to do. Okay, watering the plants first. Because I want to have the main surprise, the main task done. I will do my bed first. What we will do then? We clean the toilet. Yes, we will clean the toilet and get all the laundry going and the dishes. That will be easy to do, easy tasks that are my 4 main tasks for today. Are you ready? I need to do this. Are you ready? You love the camera. I know. He's always looking for the camera. Okay, go down, down, down. Good boy. The other side. Okay, look, the complicated one. Go Thank you. Let's make the bed. You never wait, huh? Well, bed is ready. Let's go to clean the toilet. Let's do it. I just clean the inside of the toilet, and another thing that I love to do while that is working is I spray the cleaner. It has a little of disinfecting, and then spray there. Also sprayed here. So I let it work while I clean the other part. Everything is shiny and clean. So my next step is dishes and laundry. I finished my vacuuming, sweeping. Let's go for the mopping now. Let's mop, Frosty. Are we going to mop? I decided to stop a few minutes ago. I finished all my tasks. I make the bed, clean toilet, laundry, put away dishes, sweep and mop, shred papers, garbage, and water the plants. I have my game to enjoy, and I think I will watch later I Love Lucy and then relax for today. So we will continue tomorrow. Have a good night and see you in a few. It's not a lot what I have to iron, but before I do, I also check things that need to get manned, and that's what I will do. I have my little basket here. I will put a video, and while I do my mending, and then I will iron. So let's get this going.
3 centimeters. All right then. So I've just seen my bust apex was in the right part, so I probably want to lose the length below the bust, and probably below whatever is happening with the start here. Let's just pick a spot. What did I say? 3 centimeters.
did a cleaning of my computer and it's making this noise now constantly. My husband checked and it said that one of the fans is going bad, so tomorrow he will put apart and check which one I need. I just got my refill for my farm paper, and I heard that I got some stickers. Oh, this is the clear, this is the photography stickers that I will use like when I'm doing edition of videos. And the cover that I got is a cute books one. This is like just the refill. What I do, like this is January. We'll do something here. I'll actually change the cover. I love that cover. So cute. Protector. And I have November and December to take off. Actually remove 22. No. So I have these that I leave with dates and stuff that I need to modify. And I take November. December. And I will add 2, so I'll have March. This I will modify it later. Oh, you get a stuff there. Oh, these ones comes like this. So all the months are like this, and all the dividers at the end. So I better put all this together. It will be easier in that way. Let's do that. Everything is separate here, and now I will just move March, April, and now it's better here. And I will keep all these here for the months that are coming. And these ones I will put on the last year planner. Yeah, so everything will be organized. And keep everything in one planner. Look, this is a complete year. So everything is better to keep together when it's over. So I only buy the huge rings, the extension rings, and then I put all together, and I have the previous year also in that way. Nice. Almost 2 years ago began to do this blanket, and as you can see I didn't do too much. I went to take some classes with friends. I did a little, and it was when I got really bad with depression and everything. And this is all that I got. Didn't do too much. So I was thinking it was fun. I had a lot of fun with my friends. I did a lot of things there, but it's time to work again on this. I have all the parts separate like it's supposed to be. I have to remember how to use it, how to do this, of course. And I think I can do it after so many years. I think I can maybe remember. I have some other parts here. We will figure it out. I think I have a ruler. Yes, I have a ruler there. And I think these are extras. I'm not sure. Let me find out.
Come on, bit of exercise, help exercise. Some people might say, you find it harder to move around in the cold. You know, it looks like you.